This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the speaker where it will sit steadily. You want full contact between the charging pad and the phone. Next, connect the speaker's power cable to the correct adapter and wall outlet. Use the specified voltage and current to avoid slow charging. Once powered, activate the wireless charging function on the speaker if it has a switch. You'll see a steady LED or charge icon. This establishes power and readies the coil alignment for the next pairing steps. Now place your phone squarely on the pad, centering the phone's wireless coil over the speaker's coil. Small shifts can drop power transfer. While the phone charges, turn on the speaker's Bluetooth and complete pairing so you can stream audio without unplugging. Follow on-screen pairing prompts and accept permissions. Make sure the phone shows the charging icon and the speaker LED confirms active charging. If you see pulsing or stops, slightly reposition until the indicators are steady and charging current stabilizes. Finish by checking audio levels and ensuring the phone stays centered during use. That preserves both stable charging and uninterrupted playback. Make sure cases are thin and non-metallic because metal or thick battery cases block the magnetic field and reduce charge efficiency. If charging doesn't start, reboot the phone and speaker, try a known good adapter and cable, and retest alignment. Most issues resolve by replacing a faulty adapter or adjusting placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.